Today I decided to hold my camera, walked around the house to check on my Hoyas and record some beautiful leaves. Before I let you drift into the plant world, I would like to make an announcement. The Travel Mama channel officially changed the name to Well Planted Audrey. This channel will feature plants and a garden. If you would like to watch my travel video, please visit and subscribe to the travel channel Adventures Audrey. I'll put link in description. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy growing!